So driving this Yukon Denali, I was sitting out there for about 15-20 minutes trying to do a video, and someone's already trying to sell it. So I had to hurry up. Windshield wiper controls are going to be there. You can watch my other Yukon video if you want to see a little bit more in depth. Like I said, there's just so much on this one. It's hard to do everything and then get it back before someone tries to sell this. Just a very comfortable seating position, very comfortable seat, of course, with it being 16-way, power adjustable, and having that massage as well. But hopefully I'll be able to test out this Super Cruise, because this is something I haven't seen in a Yukon yet, I don't think. And the 6.2 liter, to get up to speed naturally, you really don't need to put your foot down at all. And the shifts are so clean, so smooth. Again, this is in normal mode. I'm gonna get over here and use this for a second. And there's the Super Cruise. So I'm not doing anything here, it's just set. So it's keeping me in the lanes, adjusting throttle response as needed. And it does not ride as smooth as the Escalade in my opinion, but having the magnetic ride control and the air suspension, it's such a comfortable ride, and it's still solid. It's just not, if the Escalade is a 10, this is probably like a 9.9. So again, I actually like this one better because I feel like I can feel the road more. It drives more like a GMC in my opinion, just with how its suspension's been kind of full width and all that. But to me, you're saving 15,000, at least 15,000 compared to an Escalade Platinum. And there's really nothing here that I miss. Now, you don't have that bigger screen that goes all the way across and all that, but I actually like this setup better personally. Again, a lot of that has to do with the price point as well. I really don't care about having an OLED screen. The sound system in here is going to be more than enough compared to the AKG in the Escalade. But if you're in the market for, let's say, an Expedition King Ranch, or even a Wagoneer, heck, even a Grand Wagoneer, I feel like this would be the option I would go with, just for the powertrain, the looks, and the interior. Just, they did a fantastic job on it. And pretty quiet in here. Wind noise can be a bit, I shouldn't say a bit intrusive. I can hear it, but it's blowing like there's about to be a tornado coming out here right now. So still fantastic interior acoustics in here. Now, $100,000 is a lot of money for anything in my opinion, but compared to everything else that you get for the price point, like I said, the Grand Wagoneer, a King Ranch Expedition, an Escalade Platinum, falls perfectly in line this Yukon Denali Ultimate does, and you get everything that you could dream of. And in my opinion, I think this is the best looking vehicle out of all of those. Even the Escalade Platinum, the Grand Wagoneers, those look fantastic. But it's just something about this Yukon Denali Ultimate. This is just the best looking one out of all those in my opinion. And honestly, it's not a Rolls Royce, but I would pick this over a Cullinan, even if I had all the money in the world, because I don't want to pay 5 times as much for something that gets the same fuel economy. Probably feels a tad slower than that with a twin turbo, whatever those 6.6 liters they have in those Cullinans. But for me, this is the way to go. And then you can buy yourself a Ferrari on top of that. But this is still just the pinnacle of luxury for me in terms of looks, features, and then just this interior is so nice. But if you're in the market for something that's 6 figures and you've got the money for it, I definitely recommend this. And this will bring me to the end of my review of the 2023 GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate.